Hey guys, welcome. So we went to the beach today, and I basically didn't vlog that, but I took a bit of some real footage, so I'll put that out there. What I know is I'm not sure I can commit to vlogmas because guys, I'm coming every day. I don't know how you guys do it. I'm a vlogmas every day. Anyway, had beach day today. I will link that in this video. Other place because my husband wants to make me taste the food that he's been enjoying, and I'm gonna have karakti because I haven't had it since we moved to JBC. So yeah, I don't know, I'll keep vlogging throughout the day, I guess. So yeah, I'm gonna say hi to the peeps, baby.
What up?
These are his favorite shades. I've learned to like them. The first time I saw them, I was like, what is this? What is this?
How you don't see me, and how you do.
Anyway, today is it today? Before I say wrong things, I was gonna say today is National UAE Day. So people be celebrating UAE and stuff. So let me show you. So everywhere you go, uzabona my flag. If you're in Dubai, everywhere you go, uzabona my flag. What's a UAE? Because guys, it's UAE Day. I don't even know how I look. I feel like my foundation has gone off. Hey, I don't like sunscreen. My husband and animated things. He's editing a picture right now. It is so animated. And they don't come for me. My comments into my husband this, my husband that. Yes, my husband this, my husband that. Anyway, we're waiting for food. The menu here is actually so cheap, so we're gonna eat a lot of food. You know what I mean? Anyway, guys.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbor. are these kind of things where they make man see ya. And me, I understand, so your dad know like me, yeah. See me, I want make you know, say me there for you, cara. And if not the price be that, I feel like to see ya. I never tried it for nothing. This love will making me the dark man shit. Without you, I'm like to tell me with this all thing, all big gone. I never tried you, baby. This love will making me the starting. No, I'm gonna tell me what's up in God. I'm gonna make me that baby. I'm gonna get I want making you, baby. I feel like making you, oh baby, oh no.
Had some good time and good friends, making good memories. Yeah, that. We are home, guys. We're gonna go for a little swim in our building, then relax. Hey guys! Mazala, I'm just playing. So I'm gonna do a Forever 21 clothing haul. I already took the clothes off the bag, I don't know why. Anyway guys, so let me start with something that was not on special. So I've always wanted this pullover every time I've been going to Forever 21, and I was so scared Uguti is Opela and I didn't have money at that point. And I was like, you know what, you're gonna go back and get it. Cute, right? I'm not gonna put this on right now. I'll link a video and you guys will see how. No, I'm putting this one on, so that you guys can see how cute it looks on me. Guys, this look is the look I'm going for. And like in like winter or when it's like cold or chilly, you can put on a long sleeve anyhow you want to. They have it in black and this was 99 dirhams. It wasn't on special, so I want to go back for the black one. Then like literally a few days ago I went back to Forever 21 and I decided, oh no man, let me just go do some eye shopping. When I got there, they had like 50 to 75% off. So the clothes I got, the ones I'm about to show you, were all like 50 dirhams, which amounted to 250 dirhams. I got this cutie over here. I'm not gonna put this on. I'll just link a video where I had already like tried them on in the fitting room. I got this cutie. Like I could wear this for date nights. She's so cute, right? How cute is she? Oh, so cute. Then I got this as well, 50 dirhams. So cute. Here's the thing about me. If you like it, guys, buy it twice. I bought these two. I got this in this color. This in this color, then I got in this color as well. So because I really liked them, and I feel like most of my skippers, most of my tops were like crop tops, and I really didn't want crop tops this time. And when I saw, I was just like, oh, this is cool. It's not like full on crop top, it's not tight, it's nice and loose. So yeah, that's what I did. The Namajino guys were like literally 50 dirhams. This went from 200 to 50 dirhams. This is a mom jean. You guys will see how it looks in like the video I'm gonna link as well. I got a size 29. So the one time I went to Forever 21 and they're like, what size are you? And I'm like 32 or 34, and they're like, you from South Africa, right? So I was like, yeah. She's like, yeah, only South Africans come here and give us those sizes. What do you mean? Anyway, in Dubai I'm a 28 or 29. We all win, guys, we all win. So don't look at me like I'm a 34 or a 32. This jean was so cool. I looked at it and I was like, I want you. Because also Omonte has gained weight, so my jeans don't really fit me right now, you know, so I need them jeans. I'm gonna go back for more jeans, and my husband and I go shopping because we both need jeans. So yeah, guys, that's all for today. That's all I'm doing right now. It's just showing you guys my little clothes that I got for so cheap, you know what I mean. Anyway, guys, bye.
Love, kisses, and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long. Just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name? Say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. I'm on your mind and that you want this bad, so I'm cool with that. I'm just trying to match your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction. Did you really feel that action? Really wanna give you all the flex in front of your friends? How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but we take a picture, keep
This one I bet you me, I know get time. Dada cover my face, calling me that. Biggie man, we do what's it going? G-Wagon, all depends. They get them, ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. What's it going? G-Wagon, all depends. They get them, ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. Make you know say anything when you do, they must commendate. So anything when they do, or they try to do, I'm wait. Plenty survive with the face, just to make your money day. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one payment. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me, what's it called? G-Wagon, all the Bentley. They get them, ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. What's it gonna be? G-Wagon, all the Bentley. They get them, ride the whip. I know we different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, port I'm paddling. Cherishing a fella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen trains. When it comes to money, I they concentrate. Look at the straight, you are not my mate. If you become missionary, be head of state. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one payment. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it gonna be? G-Wagon, all the Bentley. They get them, ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. What's it gonna be? G-Wagon, all the Bentley. They get it, ride
You know finish, they won't fight us. If them they run, them no fit catch up. I know they form say I too righteous. No con they form say you too like us. You know get the time for the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my mind. Make you dance like broccoli. Steady clean like broccoli. Steady on my grind, no one hear what they want. Telling me good deny my fantasy. They want they change if my that be no wrong. But it they rush forever, it be much. Now go they make my time be the rush. Time money we touch, yeah. It they rush forever, it be much. We be hype, everybody be close. Slow down, it be You fool me jackpata, I dey go Ghana. You never thought you dey from Papa. Which kind money we never see before. Cause hello me, got me feeling I'm the one I did. You never take my cake away, I did. You can't count my grace. I just did my lane. Me no get the time, but the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my money. Make you dance like broccoli. Steady green like broccoli. Steady on my grind, no one hear what they want telling me. Good enough, my fantasy. They want to check if my